Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to make your likes private on X. So the simple answer is that you don't need to change anything because X already made likes private for everyone in 2024. So on your profile, that likes tab is only visible for you, and it's apparently hidden from followers and non-followers alike. So I mean, nobody except you can access this likes tab on your profile. And to prove that, let me switch to my another X account, and I will open my this previous X account. And as you can see here, I have no likes tab because, as I mentioned earlier, it's completely hidden from other users on X. But here's a little catch that on the homepage on X, you can see at the top section following. And this is basically the section where you can see posts that people that you follow on X liked. And sometimes some posts may appear in your followers' feeds with the note that this user liked this post. And someone can see that you liked this or that post on X. So just keep in mind that you have to be careful with things that you like on X. And if you don't want anybody to see what you like on X, then you should definitely try using bookmarks feature instead of likes. So go to some kind of post, and below it find this bookmark icon. And after you tap it, at the top of the screen you should see message that this post is added to your bookmarks. And later, to access it, you have to tap your profile picture, and here find section that says bookmarks, and here you will see every single post that you save to your bookmarks. And this is actually a very safe way how you can save posts, because those bookmarks are 100% private and they will never ever appear in anyone's feed. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.